Long ago, the cave dwellers in Europe made pictures on the walls of their caves. The first pictures were of animals. The animal pictures told a story the people wanted to remember or to tell someone else. The later cave people realized that they needed to write a story so that other cave people could read it. They drew a picture of a mouth. They drew a picture of a bowl. These pictures together meant eating. Today, we call this way of writing an ideogram. The Egyptians told their stories more carefully than the cave people. The Egyptian writers added the sound pictures. They used a picture of an eagle for the sound A. They drew other pictures for other sounds. We call these sound pictures hieroglyphic. Hieroglyphic writing was carved into stone with a sharp tool. The Egyptians discovered how to make paper from papyrus in about 3000 BC. Papyrus is a plant which grows along the banks of the Nile River. Writing on paper with a pen or brush was much faster than carving in stone. This also changed the style of writing to that known as hieratic. The Chinese people developed their own alphabet. There are more than 5,000 Chinese characters. Some Chinese characters represent words, and some represent sounds. The Phoenicians developed an alphabet based on the sound of their language. The Phoenicians sailed and traded along the Mediterranean Sea. To keep records of their trade, they needed a simple alphabet which was easy to write. The Assyrians, Sumerians, and the Babylonians wrote in clay with a wedge-shaped tool. The symbols they used gave the reader an idea and not just a sound. We call this writing cuneiform. People all over the world write in different ways. The Arabic people developed an Arabic alphabet. The people of Greece developed an alphabet with 24 letters. They were the first people to write from left to right. They did not leave spaces between their words. The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. The Greeks wrote on parchment made from animal skin. They rolled the parchment into a scroll. The Romans borrowed some letters from the Greeks that added curves to their letters and considered them more beautiful. The Roman alphabet spread all over Europe because of the Roman political influence. Different peoples made changes in the form of the Roman alphabet. Our alphabet originated from the Roman alphabet. All languages from all parts of the world can be traced back to the Egyptians. The German people developed a Gothic alphabet. Many people wanted to read books. To write faster, the scribes developed a small letter. For the first time, a sentence started with a capital letter and was completed in small letters. We call these small letters, which were developed by the Irish, minuscules. The Russians developed their alphabet from the Slavic alphabet. The Slavic alphabet and our own alphabet have the same origins. Our alphabet comes from the Roman alphabet, although we have 26 letters in our alphabet. With these 26 letters, we can write anything we want to say. We can also read what others have written. We can read about history, and we can read what is happening in our world today. This is the magic of the written word.